Jungle AI is a study tool designed to help students learn faster by transforming materials such as lecture slides, PDFs, YouTube videos, and web content into flashcards, quizzes, and other interactive study aids. It includes features like spaced repetition, progress tracking in a visual tree style, and multilingual support, which makes studying more engaging. Many students find it especially useful for exam preparation because it reduces the time spent creating study resources and allows them to focus more on actual learning. The platform has a free plan that gives limited access, such as a capped number of uploads or generated questions, but to unlock the full experience, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. Paid versions offer benefits such as unlimited generations, more advanced question types, support for diagram-based learning, and exporting to apps like Anki. For visual learners, one of the standout features is diagram occlusion, where parts of an image or chart are hidden so you can test your recall in a more interactive way. Users generally appreciate the efficiency and flexibility of Jungle AI, but there are some criticisms. The automatically generated flashcards or quizzes can occasionally contain errors, unclear phrasing, or miss some context, especially when dealing with very complex or technical material. The free version is also restrictive, which can be frustrating for those who want to rely heavily on it without paying. Some users mention that the interface feels a bit overwhelming at first because of the variety of features, and the tool requires a stable internet connection to work properly. Overall, Jungle AI is a strong option for students looking to streamline their study process. It is particularly effective when the source materials are well structured and when students are willing to invest in a subscription to unlock its full potential. While it may not completely replace careful review and manual preparation, it offers a significant boost in efficiency and can make studying more interactive and less monotonous.